Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to create your Eventbrite account. So in order to create your Eventbrite account, you have to follow these instructions. So first of all, go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. And then on the web address bar, you could go ahead and type in eventbrite.com. Type in eventbrite.com. It's going to take you to their official web page, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, go ahead and click the sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. Now, you could go ahead and either continue with your Google account or you could manually enter in your email address. Whichever is convenient for you, do that. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my email address and press the continue button. Also, you have the option to sign up with your Facebook ID as well. Moving on further, once again you need to type in your email address for the confirmation. So go ahead and enter in the email address. It's your first name, your last name, and then create a password. Also make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on create account located right at the bottom. And right on this page, you need to go ahead and select your type, such as find an experience or organize an event. So whichever is your type, go ahead and select that. Now once again, you need to go ahead and confirm what you actually want to first get to know about. So you could go ahead and select that. And when you've done that, you could go ahead and select the number of events and your place up to all of that and click the continue button. Now it's going to proceed on to the next page where you need to go ahead and enter in your event title and when does your event start and end, all of these. So basically go through it, or you could just go ahead and exit this page by tapping on the exit button located right at the bottom. And here you go, you've been directed to the home page stating that you've successfully created your Eventbrite account. So that's basically how you can create your Eventbrite account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.